umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohn Steenhuisen uqinisekise ukuthi ngeke ungenele umbango wesikhundla sokwengamela iqembu ihlandla lesithathu engqungqutheleni yokukhetha ubuholi. Steenhuisen ophinda abe ngungqongqoshe wezolimo umemezele lokhu esithangamini sabezindaba eThekwini namhlanje.
I today announced that I will not seek re-election for a third term as the DA federal leader at the party's upcoming federal congress. And I do so with a full heart, knowing that I've accomplished my DA moonshot mission.
Ememezela ngesinqumo sakhe sokuhoxa embangweni ohola i-DA, uSteenhuisen uchaze ngokuzuzwe yileli qembu ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe okuhlanganisa neqhaza elibanjwe iqembu kuhulumeni obambiswano, kanjalo nokwenyuka kokweseka kwalo.
At the start of my leadership, many commentators underestimated my commitment to ensuring that the party broadens its appeal beyond its traditional base. But the moonshot that catapulted the DA into the GNU was predicated on my commitment to reshape this party into one that transcends the boundaries of race.
Njengoba ethi khumu ekuholeni i-Democratic Alliance, uSteenhuisen uthi uzoqhubeka nokuqedela ihlandla lakhe njengongqongqoshe wezolimo kanti uzogxila ekulweni nokuqeda isifo samatele.
For the rest of this term of office, I will focus all of my time and energy as Minister of Agriculture on defeating the most devastating foot-and-mouth disease outbreak our country has ever seen, and to pursue the mass vaccination to ensure that this is the last mass outbreak of FMD that our country ever sees.
Isimemezelo sikaSteenhuisen siza njengoba iqembu lilungiselela ingqungquthela yalo ukukhetha ubuholi ngoMbasa. uSteenhuisen uthi umholi weqembu landelayo uzomeseka ngokugcwele.
Can rely on my full support and will be given the space to lead the party as they see fit. For the true test of whether you love a thing is the ability to let it go when the time is right. I have loved leading the DA, which is why today I let it go with a smile on my face and triumphant peace in my heart.
Kubhekwe uyimeya yaseKapa uJordan Hill Lewis ukubangena esicathulweni sikaSteenhuisen.